This is going to absolutely blow your mind. I've got three very simple Excel formula to manage your inventory. Just three simple formula, and it's going to look something like this. Check this out. I'm going to start off with displaying a text-based level of the inventory level, which means that let's say if your inventory is 500, I'm expected to see the word normal next to it. The formula to use is equal if with the S, open parenthesis, if this inventory is less than or equal to say 400, which is your order now inventory. I'm going to press F4 to make it fixed because I'm going to apply to the rest of the rows, comma. We're going to display the text order now. I'm going to press F4 again. Like I said, I'm going to apply this same formula to the rest of the rows, comma. And the nested condition would be if K5 is less than or equal to this low level, F4 again to make it fixed. I'm going to display the text low, F4 again to make it fixed. And the final condition will be if K5 is less than or equal to the normal level, press F4 again to make it fixed, comma, you're going to display the normal text, F4, close parenthesis, and hit enter. As you can see, it's showing normal because it's above the 500, which is a low threshold itself. And now select this cell and double click this filler handler like that, and you will apply the same formula to the rest of the row. That concludes your level. Now we're going to work on the filter. Select your cell D8 here. You're going to go to Data tab on the ribbon here. Data Tools, Data Validation, a pop-up window should appear. Make sure you're selected on Setting tab and Allow. You're going to select List, and the source, you're going to click on this button here and basically select this, Normal, Low, Order Now, and hit Enter once and twice one more time. And if you do this pull down, you can see you do have 3 entries on your pull down based on whatever you have selected. I'm going to select low here to test it out. And the final formula will be using equal filter. The first argument will be the complete data set on your master database here. I'm going to scroll all the way back here. And the second argument on your filter is the condition itself. The condition will be level, the entire column itself, is equal to whatever filter that the user have selected, like this, and close parenthesis and hit enter. You can see it will display all the low values, and if you were to change this to say order now, it will only show order now. And you can also dynamically make these changes, like for example, if I put this to say 600, you can see if you were to select low, you can see the low value changes. And if you make it a bit narrow, like say 450 like this, you can see the number of rows decreases. Likewise, you can also, I'm going to push this up to 500 here. If you select this to order now, you can see that if you make it a bit wider here, you can see the list become narrow as well.